Raleigh engine 21, EMS 30, MVC at 41,000, I-87 southbound. At 41,000, 49, I-87 southbound. On channel TAC 13, map 34, uniform, MVC.
EMS 30 responding on 13. District 9 on 13.
District 6 now.
Raleigh Ladder 4, Rescue 1, Battalion 1, District 9, EMS 64, MVC, at 41,000, 949, I-87, southbound. At 41,000, 949, I-87, southbound. On channel TAC 13, map 64, uniform.
21's en route, TAC 13.
TAC 13 from District 9.
Go for TAC 13.
I have one additional transport unit, please.
Copy, additional transport.
Rescue 1 en route.
EMS 13's en route on TAC 13. Headquarters 21 on TAC 13. Can you advise which direction on I-87 this wreck is? It's showing deputy complete.
We have the WCDV-9, week or so, should be on scene. It looks like it should be 87 southbound. It would be 440 westbound.
TAC 13 from District 9.
21 copy, thank you, headquarters.
District 9, go ahead.
TAC 13 from District 9.
Go ahead.
I got a visual on the deputy. They're right before the split. As soon as approach from Pool Road from 87 and head towards the 440 split, they'll come up upon it. The District 9's on the scene. District 9 will have medical.
10-4.
Just be as all lanes to 87 are at least shut down.
Copy, all lanes shut down.
District 6 arriving on scene.
60, I think you can get ahead of the box truck.
District 6, you want me to move around to the front of the road?
Raleigh fire from District 9.
District 9, do you want me to move to the front of the truck? EMS.
Yeah, come up to the front of the truck. Raleigh fire from District 9.
Agent 21, go ahead, District 9.
Hanging out. Got a female unresponsive to G-Test 3 pinned by an underride in the back of a box truck. Direction is going to be a male.
10-4 copy. We're en route. Headquarters from 21 on TAC 13 and Squad 14 to our call, please.
Copy, Squad 14.
There's from 87 medical.
Go for TAC 13.
I'm also going to need animal control to respond. We've got a dog pinned in the car as well.
Copy, dog pinned in vehicle.
Raleigh Squad 14, MVC, at 41,000, 949, I-87, southbound. At 41,000, 949, I-87, southbound. On channel TAC 13, map 64, uniform.
EMS, if you want 440 on I-87. EMS, if you want I-87 or 440.
TAC 15, right?
13. Yeah, we're on 87. Right before the split. Come off of Pool Road. I'll be able to get us.
14, you on TAC 13? Squad 14, are you on TAC 13?
Squad 14's en route, TAC 130.
14, what's your location?
Lake Finish Trail and Wycliffe Road.
Ladder company arriving on scene. We need ratchet straps, chains, rescue jacks.
Ladder floors are clicking extrication group.
EMS supervisor from Battalion 1. Are you stating to approach from Pool Road? District 6, can you move your car? Yeah, give me a second. I got a police for the
EMS 60 around.
60, go ahead.
61, come all the way past the crash, just of 60.
Rescue 1 from 21 on TAC 13. What's your location?
Go ahead, Rescue 1.
Cam, what's your location?
New Hope Road, Newman Avenue. Hey, Zach, leave us some room. We need to winch the car. There's access for that.
Yeah, we're gonna pull the ladder forward. I got chains on the rear tires. We're gonna get the front down. Or we're gonna try to pull using the ladder. We got a bad trauma. We're pushing on time.
Copy that.
District 9. Where do you need me to move my vehicle to?
EMS 30 is approaching. Let us know if you have an assignment.
21 officer from car 20. Call units, car 20 on scene. Car 20 is assuming I-87 command.
Ladder 4 irons.
Rescue 1's on site.
Rescue 1. Advance your paratech hydrofusion, please.
Copy that.
Yeah, try to stabilize this big rig so we can pull this white car out.
Copy.
All right, you clear, Brown. Hey, 21 officer, call the shot with help.
Car 14 is on scene.
Tax 13 from I-87 Medical.
Go for tag 13.
Dog's been extricated and is with animal control.
Copy, dog extricated. Time is 21:28.
Hey, Brown, Rescue 1 officer's gonna be the one call.
Hey, course 87 command.
Go for a
Extrication complete.
copy. Extrication complete. 21:33.